Welcome to this quick how-to video on pairing your Roku remote to your Roku TV or device. Here's how simple it is. First, grab your Roku remote, press and hold the left arrow button and the home button at the same time. Keep holding them down for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, your remote should automatically pair with your Roku TV or device. Once it's paired, you'll be ready to control your Roku with ease. If you're having any trouble pairing, here are a few troubleshooting steps. Restart your Roku device by unplugging the power cord, waiting at least 5 seconds, and then plugging it back in. If the light on your remote doesn't flash, try charging it or replacing the batteries. Once everything is set, wait up to 30 seconds for your remote to pair. And that's it. You're now all set to navigate your favorite shows and apps with your Roku remote. Happy streaming!